Alright everyone, you don't know who this is already. This is the Skilla, and right about now I'm here to present to you top 5 bike stunts that hit social media. This is a survey. What I want you to do is to look at the number beside each stunt and choose which one you think is the best in your view, and then you let me know. Now before we start, I want to say to you all, please don't try this at home. Alright? Observe. Well, there you have it, the top 5 bike stunts, you see it, and I hope you enjoyed. Like I said, you use the number at the side as a signature marking for each stunt that I just say. Just choose and tell me which one you think is the best. You know the thing already, the Dancehall Skilla is just here to keep you entertained and informed. Alright, well, as always, just leave your comment, let me know what you think, and to stay up to date with the Dancehall Skilla, you have to click the subscribe button. My name is Skilla, and this way just see is Dancehall Skilla ENT. Soon. Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.